Hey guys, today we're unboxing the UUNA TEK iAuto advanced machine. It's been kind of gifted to me by UUNA TEK just to see my thoughts and feelings about the machine and how I kind of respond to it. So delivery was really easy, actually getting the machine was quite good. I did have some problems with my own Wi-Fi connectivity, which their customer service and the mechanics really helped me out with. I love the actual different, like the huge variety of fonts you have, and the fact that you're able to drag and drop the text across the screen so you can really adjust where you want it. As you can see, everything was packaged up really nicely as well. My favorite thing about this machine is literally the fact that I can use so many different pens. I'm talking about ballpoint pens, calligraphy pens, gold point pens, which I really am excited to use, and a different number of sheets, sizes, fonts. They've got everything. As you can see, it's nice and easy to get it started. The machine will do all the work for you, and it's literally click and play. But yeah guys, thank you so much for UUNA TEK for gifting me this Auto I, and I'm sure to enjoy it. Have a great day guys. Bye.